Are we having fun playing Barbies?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you getting married tomorrow? Where's your wedding dress? Can I see it? Oh my goodness, sister, it's great. It's so gorgeous. This is my Barbie. She's wearing an Ariel dress. Wow, what kind of shoes are you going to wear? Which ones? I can't see them. Oh, those are beautiful ballerina shoes.
Yeah. When you get married, you can wear my dad.
Oh, thank you so much. Who are you marrying? Prince Jack? Who's that?
I loved it in the movie.
Yeah.